So we are making an experiment how clouds make rain.
Yellow
We put some
rain!
shaving
I'll put
cream
more.
on the water
Blip, blip, blip,
that
blip, blip,
represents
blip, blip,
the
blip, blip.
clouds.
I like to make lots.
And now we're trying with different colors. There is yellow, there's green coming. The green is like a storm.
Yeah, green is a yellow rain. Mommy,
Yellow
look,
rain.
yellow rain.
That's right, yellow
I'm
rain.
gonna make the red one empty.
Okay, Aiden, try the blue one this time.
I'm gonna make the yellow one empty.
No. We don't need to
One
try.
more.
Alex,
Look,
try this time. Try the red one now.
it's gonna be lava
one.
rain, Mommy. It's gonna be lava rain.
It's like lava rain.
Yeah, it is lava rain. Let's see how.
Ooh, wow.
Oh my God, lava
Look
rain!
at
See the
this.
green one. Yeah, green. I'm gonna put walls. Flip, 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 flip.
A few droplets is enough, and that's gonna create the color too.
Hey, I
But
dropped
these
some more.
boys are going crazy with the colors right now. It's a big storm here.
It's a big storm in the rain.
Mm-hmm.
There's lava falling out of the sky.
Lava falling out of the sky.
And this is green
is
lava.
scary.
This is green lava.
That's green lava.
This is blue lava.
Yes.
I need to fill in all the white spots. Look at this! Let's fill this. Oh my God! I'm gonna make it more yellower.
Are you gonna mix blue and green now?
Here.
Oh, you can see the blue going down there.
I'm gonna mix yellow and red. Whoa! I cooked yellow and red.
Yes.
And let's see our color. Then let's see.
It's going through, Alex. Look.
Oh my God! Oh my God! It's turning orange.
Yeah.
Orange. Ooh, one more. I put some. Hey, what's that color? Turn to black. It's turning black.
Oh wow, that's a superstorm.
Superstar. I'm gonna try yellow and red. Oh, turn to light blue. I'm gonna try yellow and red. I'm trying yellow and red together. I want to try one. Okay. I'll try red too. Okay. I'll try. You can try both of them. Can I try blue and?
So what is it going to turn into? What color is gonna be now?
Can I have one? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna mix lots. And this one, Karen makes now green.
I wonder
blue,
what color
yellow,
is it
red.
gonna be now?
Okay, look at I'm doing this one too. Oh my God, it's going through. It's turning black now. It's turning black. Mine is turning black too. Oh my God, that was black. Superstorm. Making a superstorm. Superstorm. Okay, I'm gonna try it on red.
For this experiment, all you need is some water, some shaving cream, and food color.
Okay. I'm doing 2 at a time.
Oh my goodness, that looks scary.
I'm looking. It's black.
Wow.
Blah, blah, blah. Let's see what it turned into. Oh my God! Superstorm. Oh, red superstorm! A red superstorm. Oh my God. I emptied the green! Emptied the green. I'm gonna empty blue now. I can't empty red.
Yes.
I'm gonna empty blue. I can't empty.
Oh my
No.
goodness.
I'm doing crazy on these colors.
Look at these colors in
Get
here.
on. There's some more.
That is interesting.
Oh my gosh. I got rid of me. And even me too. Fell over. Oh, it fell over again. Ah! Oh my God. Mommy, look at it. Superstorm.
That is some scary storm.
Why is it some scary storm?
Looks like
And
it.
what happens if you touch these two? Do you like You can see. You can't see where you're going in this kind of way, but it's all black on the bottom. Touch it. Look. Oh my God.
Did we have fun?
Yes. I want to just stare at this the whole day.
Can try this next time.